And new at noon, for 10 months, first responders have been taking extraordinary precautions on so many calls to protect themselves and others against COVID. Now, more of them are getting the first doses of the COVID vaccine that could help lessen that burden. Our ADRIANA MENDEZ reports from Kenosha.
By the end of the day, 110 out of 156 first responders with the Kenosha Fire Department will have received the COVID-19 vaccine. The medical director for the fire department says getting their employees vaccinated is crucial for their safety and the safety of the public. The Kenosha Fire Department started vaccinating its employees on Tuesday after receiving word from the health department the vaccines had arrived.
We were able to mobilize our workforce and get shots in arms within just a couple hours.
Dr. Grawey, the medical director for the Kenosha Fire Department, says it took months to prepare and coordinate for this moment.
It's been a very long year fighting this pandemic for everyone. So I think it's been great that we've been able to kind of turn the corner and see a light at the end of the tunnel.
While many departments across the state are still waiting on vaccinations, Dr. Grawey believes it's their close working relationship with the Kenosha Health Department that helped them to be one of the first departments in Wisconsin to vaccinate.
Even throughout the country, you've seen that EMS has had a hard time getting vaccine because they're not always directly affiliated with a larger healthcare entity in the community. But I think our state has done a good job of emphasizing the importance of making EMS a 1A provider, and I think that's why one of the other reasons why we've been able to get the vaccine quickly down in Kenosha.
ESCHMANN, the interim EMS division chief, says he is hopeful the vaccinations will prevent future COVID-19 cases in the department.
People have been out for as much as a month with respiratory difficulties, and I think people look at that and they think, here's a vaccine that can help prevent that in the future.
Dr. Grawey hopes these employees getting vaccinated sets an example of trust and confidence in the vaccine for the general public.
EMS providers are the healthcare team, usually the first to take care of some of the sickest COVID-19 patients. So they're getting limited information, putting on PPE, and performing life-saving interventions.
And the medical doctor says some of the firefighters here had to go through additional training to administer the vaccine. In Kenosha, ADRIANA MENDEZ, TMJ4 News.